Have you ever fallen for a scam or worried about becoming a victim? In this video, we'll guide you on spotting and reporting fraud to help ensure that you're never a victim. Fraudsters usually try to play on your emotions and manipulate you into giving up personal and login information, sensitive details, and money. Help protect yourself from a scam by looking out for these common signs. Offer seems too good to be true. There is pressure to make a decision very quickly without getting time to check things out. Receiving urgent and threatening messages demanding you contact the sender immediately. Payment is required in unusual formats such as gift cards, Bitcoin, and prepaid credit cards. And being told to keep things confidential and not share the details with local authorities or family. Here are some tips to better protect yourself against potential scams. 1. Always validate requests for information from trusted sources. 2. If you receive an email from Bell that you aren't sure about, don't click on any links. Instead, simply open the My Bell app to confirm the legitimacy of the request. Regularly check your financial statements for unusual activity. Watch for unsolicited messages, incredibly good offers, or the need to act urgently. Be careful when you share this info with anyone. When you see a potential scam, think about the 3 S's. 1. Scrutinize what you're reading or hearing. 2. Stop before you share any personal or financial information. 3. Speak out by telling 3 people about the scam to spread the word. Also, always report any scams to authorities and the Canadian Anti-Fraud Centre so they investigate and warn the public. Visit bell.ca/security to learn more.